Hey, what's going on, guys? Still working on the bike here. Finally got it running. Well, I had it running last night, but got the wiring all done, solenoid hooked up. The only thing that's not hooked up is a key yet, so we're just twisting the wires together, hot wiring it. So if I twist these wires together, that's basically like turning the key on or kill switch on. You can see the neutral light turns on there. And all I've done is the carburetor is completely dirty. I really shouldn't be starting it, but I'm just excited as hell. So everything's hooked up. All I gotta do is hit this starter switch and it should start up for a second. I only put a squirt of gas in the head, so who knows how long it'll run. Alright, I'll quickly put another squirt of gas in there. Fuck, that sounds good. Yeah, we had a lot of problem with the wiring and everything of this bike. Couldn't figure out exactly what size engine it was. Not too sure if it's a 150, bigger or smaller. I guess we'll find out once I start riding it. And again, it's not going to run for long, it's just going to start up for a sec. It's just a squirt in the head, just to prove all electronics work and everything. Alright, let's try that again. Yeah, I think it's going to sound awesome. It's going to be pretty good. So until the next video, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. There's going to be a lot more videos going on with this bike. Still have a lot of painting to do. Going to do a few videos of riding it and everything before, just to test everything before I paint it. So again, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and take her easy. DGPG out.